We're at Carmen's up in El Chaparral and we're here for the cream tea. Is it the best in the Costa Blanca? Let's go find out.
Hi Bob. Hi Bob.
Should I let it mash a little bit?
Cut this.
It's got loads of tea bags in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
We're in Carmen's up in El Chaparral, and the reason we're here is because Helen got a cream tea voucher for birthday or Christmas.
Christmas. From Nicola. Oh, look here.
Now, also,
Wow.
That's lovely, thank you so much.
she's got a voucher for 2, but
Oh,
that's for
that
4
looks
of us,
gorgeous.
obviously. And on the subject of 4,
Yeah. That's for two. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's for 2 people, that one.
yeah, on the subject of 4, today is our 4th anniversary, our 4th birthday as Brits living in Spain and Tea.co.
Right.
Look at this. The cream tea they do on the first Wednesday of every month. And as you can see here, we've got a selection of sandwiches, cakes, buns, sausage roll.
Wonderful.
Oh,
Yeah.
we don't like Prosecco or Cava, so Jessica's got white wine, the rest of us have got a red wine.
I was really ready for a cup of tea, though, to be honest with you. So cheers.
Now, I'm not sure whether you're a scone or a scone person, but this is a cheese one and it's very light and very tasty.
I'm a scone person.
I think I'm a scone person as well. But they are lovely. And everything here is homemade because Julie, who owns it, is excellent at baking and she makes all of her own desserts and everything. So they really are stunning.
I'm a scone person, not a scone. Here we have cream and here we have the jam for the scone. My question for you is, which do you put on first, jam or cream? Let us know in the comments. Lemon cheesecake, lemon cheesecake it is.
I've got lemon drizzle cake and it's beautiful. Spicy.
It's spicy. No, it's not. It's tangy.
Bitter.
It's not bitter at all.
It is bitter.
It's not bitter.
It is.
This is a really big topic of conversation in my family because a lot of us like the scones and cream like this, but we do have some Devonshire people in the family and it causes a bit of a riot. If we ever have to ask this question on our family WhatsApp, it goes on for weeks, doesn't it? So that's my way of having a scone and creams.
Cherry bacon.
We have been, yeah.
Banoffee cake sort of thing. So it's banana cake with what's on the top?
Like a
like a
caramel.
fondant.
No, it's like a caramel. But underneath the fondant, it's like got the topping that you put in banoffee pie, which is condensed milk that's cooked and cooked and cooked until it's gone into a toffee. You can't see the lemon drizzle cake because Andy's already eaten it, but there's one there.
Jessica hasn't. That's really nice. The cheesecake was really nice. Helen's tucking into the scone, and we've got, well, almost gone. Oh, Bob's having a crack at banoffee pie, banoffee cake.
What do you think to it? Because you don't like
He
banana.
don't like bananas.
I don't like bananas at all. But it don't taste too bad. I don't like that.
These cheese scones, delightful. The sandwiches were really nice. We had a cucumber sandwich, cheese and pickle, which is nice. The sausage rolls are homemade. The tuna, was it tuna mayo or just tuna sandwich?
Tuna mayo. It only got a little bit of mayo in it though, and there was also an egg mayo sandwich.
Yes.
Way too much food.
Yes, quite a bit of this.
But we've just been informed we've got to sit here until we've eaten it all.
No, really?
Yeah, we're not allowed to leave until we've eaten it all. That's what Michael's just said to us.
No, we can't take it home.
It's a good job, really, because I think I'm going to have the scone, and that's going to be me done. I'm only having the scone because there's the cream and the jam.
Yeah.
This is what we've got left, myself and Jessica. That's what they've got left, Helen and Bob. For me,
Big fat pig.
see, they said that about me when I went to Skegness. Looked at the last video. Anyway, what I'm going to say is Carmen's green tea, first Wednesday, every month. Book in advance, worth it. Loved it.
It was lovely, but way too much food.
And if you're diabetic, be warned.
I'm not sure how much is it each person.
I don't know.
We'll find out and we'll put it
on the screen how
on.
much it was. Don't forget, like, subscribe, ring that bell. Cost you nothing to subscribe. Not that it matters anyway. Share it with your friends, leave us a comment, and bye.
Hasta pronto.
Bye.